Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off show system apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and here you will see a show system apps button. So if you want to turn on show system apps, then turn on this button, and after turning on this button click on OK to save changes, and then it will show you all the system apps. And if you want to turn off these show system apps, then tap on the filter icon again and then turn off this button, and after turning off this button click on OK, and then all the system apps will be turned off. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show system apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.